Most drivers think all engine oil does the same job. Change it on time, pick a familiar brand, and your engine will be fine. That belief is exactly why so many engines wear out long before they should. Over the last 200,000 miles, 6 popular oil brands were compared under real-world driving conditions, not short lab demos or marketing claims. These oils were tested through cold starts, highway runs, stop-and-go traffic, heat cycles, and long drain intervals where real wear shows up. The difference wasn't small. Some oils allowed wear to climb steadily. Others broke down faster than expected. And one oil stood out so clearly that the results weren't even close. This isn't about brand loyalty or price. It's about what actually protects an engine after tens of thousands of miles, when oil chemistry matters more than labels. Let's break down the results, starting with the oil that struggled the most over long-term use. Number 6. Budget conventional store brand oil. Budget conventional oil sits at the bottom of this comparison, not because it instantly destroys engines, but because over long mileage, its weaknesses quietly add up. On paper, these oils meet minimum industry standards. They're approved, certified, and legal to use. The problem is what happens after tens of thousands of miles when oil is asked to do more than just survive a short interval. Over extended use, conventional base oils break down faster under heat. As miles accumulate, viscosity drops sooner, meaning the oil film protecting bearings, cam lobes, and cylinder walls becomes thinner than intended. Used oil analysis consistently shows higher iron, aluminum, and copper levels compared to synthetic oils. Clear signs of increased wear. Oxidation is another major issue. As conventional oil is exposed to heat and oxygen, it thickens and forms deposits. Sludge buildup becomes more likely, especially in engines that see short trips, stop-and-go traffic, or high operating temperatures. Once sludge starts forming, oil flow is restricted, starving critical components of lubrication. Detergent packages are also more limited. Budget oils clean adequately early on, but over time, they struggle to keep contaminants suspended. That allows deposits to settle inside the engine, particularly around piston rings and oil control passages. Once rings begin to stick, oil consumption increases and compression slowly drops. Cold start protection is another weak point. Conventional oil thickens significantly in cold temperatures, delaying oil flow during startup, the exact moment when most engine wear occurs. Multiply that by thousands of cold starts over 200,000 miles, and the cumulative damage becomes measurable. None of this means an engine will fail immediately. In fact, engines using conventional oil can run for many years if oil changes are frequent and conditions are mild. But compared side by side with modern synthetics, the long-term difference is undeniable. Budget oil survives. It doesn't excel, and when engines are pushed beyond short drain intervals or exposed to real-world stress, it's the first to fall behind. That's why it lands firmly at number 6, the baseline others must beat. Number 5, Castrol GTX/Castrol Edge. Castrol sits higher than budget oil for a reason. It offers noticeably better protection early on and performs well under normal service intervals. Whether it's GTX or Edge, Castrol products meet high standards and are trusted by many drivers. But when stretched across very long mileage, cracks begin to show. In the first 5,000 to 7,000 miles, Castrol performs well. Where metals stay controlled, viscosity remains in range, and engines feel smooth. Problems begin when oil is pushed past typical intervals or subjected to repeated heat cycles. Used oil analysis often shows shear thinning sooner than expected, especially in turbocharged or high RPM engines. As the oil thins, its ability to maintain a strong protective film weakens. Oxidation resistance is decent, but not exceptional. After extended use, Castrol oils tend to darken faster and show rising oxidation numbers. This indicates the oil is aging chemically, which reduces its ability to neutralize acids and prevent deposits. In engines that run hot or see frequent short trips, this aging accelerates. Castrol's detergent package keeps engines relatively clean, but it's more reactive than proactive. It handles contaminants well early, yet over long intervals, deposit control falls behind oils designed specifically for extended drain performance. Sludge isn't immediate, but varnish buildup around piston rings and valve train components appears sooner than with higher ranked oils. Cold start performance is solid, especially with full synthetic edge variants, but again, consistency over time is the issue. As viscosity shears, startup protection becomes less predictable, particularly in colder climates after many miles. Where Castrol shines is availability and reliability for normal use. It's widely accessible, reasonably priced, and works well for drivers who change oil frequently and don't push drain intervals. Many engines have lived long, healthy lives on Castrol with proper maintenance. However, this comparison isn't about short-term survival. It's about 200,000-mile durability. And in that context, Castrol simply doesn't hold its performance curve as flat as the oils ranked above it. It's a good oil. It's just not built to dominate long-term stress. That's why Castrol earns the 5th spot, clearly better than basic oil, but not strong enough to challenge the top performers. Number 4. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic earns its place in the middle of this comparison because it delivers consistent, dependable protection across a wide range of conditions. It doesn't rely on flashy marketing claims. It focuses on stability, and that shows over long mileage. One of Valvoline's biggest strengths is wear control. Used oil analysis over extended intervals often shows lower iron and aluminum levels than many mid-tier synthetics. That means bearings, cylinder walls, and valve train components are seeing less direct metal contact as miles accumulate. For engines approaching or exceeding 100,000 miles, this matters. Valvoline's detergent and dispersant package is well balanced. It keeps contaminants suspended and helps prevent sludge buildup, especially in engines prone to short trips or city driving. While it may not deliver the spotless internals seen with some premium oils, it does a reliable job of keeping deposits under control without stripping protective films from metal surfaces. Viscosity stability is another positive. Valvoline resists thinning better than many competitors in its price range. Even after long drain intervals, it tends to stay closer to its original viscosity, which helps maintain oil pressure and consistent lubrication. This stability makes it particularly popular among mechanics who service high-mileage vehicles. Cold start protection is solid, with predictable flow in low temperatures. The oil circulates quickly on startup, reducing wear during one of the engine's most vulnerable moments. Hot weather performance is also dependable, though extreme heat and prolonged stress can still push it toward its limits. Where Valvoline falls short is in extreme endurance. Compared to top-tier synthetics, oxidation resistance is slightly lower, meaning the oil ages faster when pushed far beyond standard change intervals. Over 200,000 miles, this difference becomes measurable, especially in engines that run hot or are turbocharged. Valvoline Advanced. Full synthetic is a strong, practical choice for drivers who want long engine life without premium pricing. It consistently outperforms lower-ranked oils, but stops just short of the elite category. That balance places it firmly at number 4. Reliable, respected, but not the ultimate long-term champion. Number 3. Pennzoil Platinum, including Ultra Platinum. Pennzoil Platinum stands out in this comparison for one reason above all others: engine cleanliness. Unlike many traditional synthetics that rely on refined crude oil bases, Pennzoil Platinum is made using a gas-to-liquid GTL process. This produces an exceptionally pure base oil, and over long mileage that purity makes a real difference. Across extended use, Pennzoil consistently shows very low sludge and varnish formation. Used oil analysis often reveals cleaner internals, especially around piston rings and oil control passages, areas where deposits quietly rob engines of efficiency over time. Engines running Pennzoil Platinum tend to maintain better compression and lower oil consumption as mileage climbs. Wear protection is strong, though not class-leading. Iron and aluminum levels remain controlled, but under extreme load or very long drain intervals, Pennzoil allows slightly more wear than the oils ranked above it. This doesn't mean it's unsafe. It simply means its protective film is a bit thinner under sustained stress, such as high heat, towing, or aggressive driving. Oxidation resistance is excellent. The oil resists chemical breakdown better than most mid-tier synthetics, staying stable and effective deep into extended intervals. This helps prevent acid buildup and thickening, both of which accelerate internal wear in high-mileage engines. Cold start performance is another highlight. Pennzoil flows quickly in low temperatures, reducing startup wear during the most damaging moments of engine operation. This makes it especially effective for vehicles driven in colder climates or on short trips where engines rarely reach full operating temperature. Where Pennzoil falls just short of the top two is high-load durability. Under extreme conditions, turbocharged engines, heavy towing, or very long oil change intervals, the oil's film strength doesn't quite match the elite synthetics. Over 200,000 miles, that difference becomes measurable, though still far better than average. Pennzoil Platinum is one of the cleanest running oils available. It keeps engines remarkably free of deposits and performs consistently across a wide range of conditions. That balance earns it the number 3 spot. Excellent long-term protection, just shy of absolute dominance when engines are pushed to their limits. Number 2. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic. Mobil 1 has long been considered a benchmark in the oil world, and over 200,000 miles of comparison, it proves why it consistently sits near the top. This oil doesn't just perform well early on, it holds its performance deep into long-term use, where weaker oils begin to fade. One of Mobil 1's biggest strengths is viscosity stability. Even after extended drain intervals and repeated heat cycles, the oil maintains its intended thickness better than most competitors. That consistency keeps oil pressure steady and ensures critical components, like bearings, camshafts, and timing chains, remain protected mile after mile. Wear control is excellent. Used oil analysis typically shows very low iron and aluminum levels, indicating reduced metal-to-metal contact over time. Engines running Mobil. One often exhibits smoother operation at high mileage, with less valve train noise and fewer signs of internal wear as they age. Mobil 1 also excels in cold start protection. Its low temperature flow characteristics allow oil to circulate almost immediately on startup, minimizing wear during the most damaging phase of engine operation. This makes it especially effective in cold climates and for vehicles that see frequent short trips. Oxidation resistance is another strong point. Mobil 1 resists chemical breakdown extremely well, even in high heat environments. This helps prevent sludge, varnish, and acid buildup, common causes of long-term engine damage. The oil stays stable and effective well beyond standard change intervals when properly monitored. Where Mobil 1 narrowly misses the top spot is extreme endurance under maximum stress. While it performs exceptionally across most conditions, ultra-long drain intervals and severe duty applications reveal a slight edge for the number 1 oil in terms of film strength and additive longevity. Mobil 1 is proven, widely available, and trusted by manufacturers, race teams, and fleets alike. It delivers outstanding long-term protection and consistency, making it one of the safest choices for engines expected to last well beyond 200,000 miles. It's an elite oil by every meaningful measure, just barely edged out by one competitor that was engineered specifically to go even further. Number 1, Amsoil Signature Series, the clear winner. Amsoil Signature. Series earns the top spot in this comparison because it consistently protects when other oils start to fall apart. Over 200,000 miles of real-world use, the difference isn't subtle. It's measurable, repeatable, and hard to ignore. The first area where Amsoil separates itself is wear protection. Used oil analysis repeatedly shows the lowest wear metals of any oil in this comparison. Iron, aluminum, and copper levels stay exceptionally low, even as mileage climbs past 100,000, 150,000, and beyond. That means bearings, cylinder walls, cam lobes, and timing components are experiencing less friction over time. Engines simply age slower. Viscosity stability is another major advantage. Amsoil resists shear better than every other oil tested. Even after long drain intervals and extreme heat cycles, it maintains its original thickness far more accurately. That stable oil film is critical because once viscosity drops, protection drops with it. With Amsoil, that breakdown happens much later, if at all within normal use. Oxidation resistance is where Amsoil truly dominates. Heat, oxygen, and contamination slowly destroy oil chemistry, but Amsoil's additive package delays that process significantly. Sludge and varnish formation are nearly non-existent, even in engines prone to buildup. Internal components remain clean, oil passages stay open, and hydraulic systems like variable valve timing continue to function properly at high mileage. Cold start protection is equally impressive. Amsoil flows quickly in low temperatures, reducing startup wear, the single largest contributor to long-term engine damage. Over hundreds of thousands of cold starts, this advantage compounds into real longevity gains. What sets Amsoil apart most is design intent. While other oils balance performance with price and availability, Amsoil is engineered specifically for extended drain intervals and severe duty use. It's built for towing, turbocharged engines, high heat, and long service life. That's why fleet tests and long-term enthusiasts consistently see engines surpass 250,000 or even 300,000 miles with minimal internal wear. Is it more expensive up front? Yes. But when you factor in fewer oil changes, reduced wear, and extended engine life, the cost equation flips completely. Over 200,000 miles, Amsoil doesn't just protect, it preserves. When everything is measured honestly, wear, stability, cleanliness, and endurance, there's no tie, no debate, and no close second. Amsoil Signature Series is the clear winner. Over 200,000 miles, oil choice isn't about branding or hype. It's about what still protects when engines are tired, hot, and worn. Some oils fade quietly. Others keep doing their job long after most drivers would expect them to. The difference shows up in wear numbers, cleanliness, and how long an engine stays healthy. If you want an engine that lasts, oil choice matters more than most people realize. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more real-world testing, and comment below, which oil are you running right now?